Welcome back. Today, we got places to go. For now, I gotta get out of this water. Anyway, ow. We're going. Wait, can I get in there? Oh crap! I can. Well, might as well get this one here. Oh. That should be higher. Yep. Are you two okay? You're crazy. My tree is much bigger. My leaves are nicer too. I'm telling you, the tree on my head is way taller than yours. Am I ready for the sunglasses yet? Hey, I think you're, oh my gosh. Okay, I'm not gonna ask him again until all of the darkness is clear. Which it actually does look like it is leaving a bit, so that's good. Anyway, into the M. To the M of a new stage. Dunebud Sandcastle Secret. Oh, I don't get to slide in that. But I get to slide in this. Whee! Bro has a shine sprite behind him. You know, they called the shine sprites guardians. Bro has like, well, it's basically a god behind him in captivity. That guy should be put up for exile. Oh yeah. What are you guys called? The quackflaps or something? Oh crap, that hurt. Oh, cataquacks. Cataquack. Anyway, I gotta find whatever the sand castle is, wherever it is. I don't know, whatever you want to say. I found it. Well, how'd that happen? Bye-bye. And we go this way, and this way. Sand is... the floor is falling. I did it. That was easy. Yahoo! assuming the darkness leaves um with every Shadow Mario defeated. That, or it's based on Shine Sprite. Maybe it's based on story progression, like as new levels unlock and things happen and stuff. Mirror Madness, Tilt, Slam, Bam. Well, hello, sir. Alert, alert! Just look at the top of the tower. Some weird things curl up on top of the tower to take a nap. This could endanger the legendary Sandbird egg. Let's go get the Sandbird egg. I am here to save the day. So, how do I get up there? Can I climb this tree? Okay, great. Now I use that to get up here, and yeah. Ow. Hey, I did spray him to the other side. Hey, okay, something's wrong here. That's what you're supposed to get balls. Oh, they have to be on like the ledge about to get. Okay, so something's happening, and I don't like it. Oh, I'm in the middle of the platform. There's my problem. Okay, well, they're dead. So that's good. He's still sleeping. Hey, idiot. Goodbye, idiot.
Mario.
Oh, hello. He's dead. Not for these two. He's dead now. His head fell off. His head fell off, guys. That's not good. Wait, where'd he go? Oh, it's over there. Doink. I am the Yahoo. I yah the who. But now it is time for you to yah your last who. I just want to check. Not there. It's that one. How have I gotten 6 Delphi? Oh, because the blue coins. So yeah, there's absolutely no way to know if we've gotten the there's no way to know if we've gotten all the blue coins in an area besides just hoping. All we can do is hope. I mean, there are 30 in each area, so we can keep track from now on. And that's why I don't want to collect them, because it, you know, messes things up. Nuclear ahoy, full steam ahead. Have I collected any here? I don't know. I don't think so. So this guy is kind of mean. Wow, yeah, he is. Well, he's just gonna come back around. Get ground pound. Oh, he's coming for me. Give it a second. Oh crap, didn't work. Oh, it worked. Get attacked. I will get him with the starfish. Or he just isn't allowed to come over here, okay. I guess we're pyramiding again. Or not? Wait, so this one. So this one. He went all the way over here. No, what the heck? Bro, I was... Bro's cheating. Okay, this time we get him. He's dead. Oh, he turned into sand. Like, there was one over here. Oh, I didn't think there was. Yeah, he indeed. Okay, well, back at.
Here we go.
The sandbird is born. Egg. Oh, that guy's very happy. I wonder what he's happy about. Hey, guess what? The sandbird. It finally hatched. Don't bother looking for it, though. It flew off right away. Let's go look for it. Sunglasses man, are you finally ready to give me my special pair of sunglasses? But I'm ready. You say come back when you think you're ready, and you're like... And I think I'm ready, so I should be able to have it. Okay. Now I get to go up here. Wait, hold on. Oh, I can't do it uphill, never mind. I should have had that out from the start. Yoink. Sandbird. Hold on, I saw a blue coin out here. Hold on, I am actually going to grab this blue coin because I don't want to have to come back to the sandbird area. Sandbird, if you could just stay in this rotation. Wait, I want the blue coin. I don't want to have to come back to Sandbird Land. No! Wait, okay, I'm fine. Oh, it's not safe here. It's not safe anywhere. I saw a blue coin. Okay, now what? Well, going down like a hero. Well, I got the blue coins. I got the blue coins in those locations. So that's... Legendary Sandbird. I've never heard of it, so it's clearly not legendary. And that does apply to everything. If I specifically have not heard of something, then it does not exist. This is a fact. Oh crap! I was unaware his tail was so evil. Okay. Moral of the story, keep the hover nozzle on. Just keep it on. It doesn't matter what the situation is, keep it on. Unless you need the regular nozzle, which, you know, is not very... Ah! I slid. I couldn't save myself because I slid.
Mario.
Okay. Oh, that's not on the ground. Okay. Oh. Oh. Oh crap, tail, come back. I panicked and got completely launched off the tail. If I can get, oh, here, I'll go for the tail coin first, actually. That's a good idea.
Mario.
Especially right now when the tail's calm, right? Like, that's a good idea. The tail coin's never a good idea. The best thing to do is be fast.
Mario.
I did it. I got the tail coin. I just gotta get the other two, or the other coins without failing. Well, I'm gonna get the head coin because it's basically the tail coin, but a bit easier because it's shorter, so it sways less. I was going to go for the other wing while I couldn't get that one, but I remembered the head coin exists. I remembered that I needed to get that anyway. Okay, okay. I think I just need to wait for the sandbird to get to the top. I don't know where to go for this. Wait, that was the wrong answer though. There was a wrong answer. That was it. That was, you know.
Mario.
Ooh, I almost died there. First thing just dies. You know, the goal is don't do that. I'm getting all the red coins off of the sandbird. But I still don't know what to do about it when it gets, when it twists. I don't know what to do. I'm just gonna walk. Oh yeah. I like this scenario. Oh, that's an interesting underside. Feels like I should jump, but I have learned jumping is never the solution, unless it is. But in that moment, it was not. Oh yeah, bird. I'll basically just have my own bird now. Okay, I'm gonna need to go grab that. Bird, please stay. Please wait here for me while I go and grab my blue coin. Okay, the wing should come down and I should be able to jump onto it. Wait. No, I was right there too. That's the top of the... It's the top of the building too. I was right there and it's gonna go down. Right? Wait. What happens here? You know what? It'll be the same amount of time to wait for it to come all the way up. I think I'm just going to wait. Oh, jeez. This is gonna take forever. I will see you then. He's here. Why? He's turning sideways. What the heck? Okay. Okay, sideways time is over. I did it! I'm back on the bird. Yay! I did it! And I got all the blue coins in here too. Now I know. Hey, I got the 4 blue coins that are in here. All 4. There are only 4. This is not foreshadowing, because there are only 4. And the 1 is from the jail, because I really wanted to go to jail. I just need the Yoshi egg, man. I just want to get my blue coins back from the other places. Il Piantissimo Sand Sprint. Ooh, it's time, guys. Hey, idiot. I am Il Piantissimo, and now we shall race to the flag. That's flag. It's a race to the finish flag, and only one can triumph. By the way, the current record is 35. Are you ready? Get set and go. Look at that. I'm already super far ahead of him. Okay, new strategy. That works just as well. Except his way works better because it's faster. It's fine. I can beat him in a regular foot race. Ugh! Oh, come on, really? Oh, and you're gonna make me talk to you too? What the heck? Oh, do I need... I hadn't even made it to the flag. Oh, I just die?
Mamma mia.
That's kind of mean. Yeah, I get it. Things are happening in Delfino Plaza. But guess what?
Here we go.
I gotta go beat Il Piantissimo. Also, fun fact, if you didn't know this somehow, like, how do you not know that? I mean, I guess maybe if you've never heard of this game before, like, never wanted to see any footage of this game. This guy is from Ocarina of Time. It's the Running Man. Okay. I beat him this time, because I know the strats. I thought that wall looks like you can't wall jump it. But it's very much possible. Oh crap. Okay, I need a bit of luck. Okay, I didn't beat him, but if I mix that faster strategy, if I mix that with my old strategy of using flood to get up, I got this. Bye bye. Okay, this is the attempt. I'm also gonna try going this way. Nope, that's slower. Bro, imagine being in front of someone and like walking up the pathway to the finish, and then you get to the finish and you just see them there. Phew, wow, you're pretty good, and you have some speed. You've grown ever so slightly in my esteem. Slightly! We will meet again, and goodbye. Anyway, that's all the time for right now. And there's still no Yoshi egg. Maybe I've been skipping over. Maybe the start of the cutscene. Let's see. Is the Devs Alert gonna be here? No. No Devs Alert. Let's go check where the Yoshi egg would be. Let's go see. I actually don't know where it would be. But he'd be somewhere over here. And no, it's not here because guess what? I've been lied to. Yoshi eggs aren't real. They're a myth. Give me a second. Okay. So wait, shouldn't I get the Yoshi egg before? Wait. Wait. The wave has brained. I remember. The Yoshi egg doesn't come because of how many shine sprites you have. It appears based on a mission that you complete. A mission being, I believe, Pinna Park episode 2? It's episode 2. It's one of the episodes. We'll go until it appears, but it's in Pinna Park. Oh crap, I need to end the episode. Right. Okay. Goodbye.